All right. It is February 20th, 2026, and I made around $1,300 trading the S&P 500 this morning. I'm just gonna go through a quick trade recap and talk about my thought process, what I saw, why I took what I took, etc. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Okay. So coming into today, I was definitely holding more of a bearish idea because of how I think I said it yesterday. We've been respecting bearish PD arrays for the past like few days now. On the 4 hour, just constantly, pushing into them, aggressively displacing out of them. So I've definitely been having a bearish idea coming into the markets recently. But why today was a little different is, just, or even yesterday too, is just because of how just non like just confirmation we've been getting from just this level. We've been chopping in and out of this gap for the past like 2-3 days now. We haven't really had too much displacement going in it, and we haven't had too much displacement going out of it. So I was really looking for either way, longs or shorts, if I just saw the correct reactions off of levels. So that's what I used. Let's get into it. Let's see. So at 9:30 a.m., we ended up coming down and sweeping out this sell side liquidity, and also this relative equal low as well. So these relative equal lows get taken at 9:30. Good, good, good. Ended up seeing that. Yeah, we started seeing bullish displacement to the upside. Yeah. Seeing bullish displacement through the upside. And we ended up taking out this buy side liquidity here. And I just wanted to see how price reacted off this level. So again, we had a bullish reaction up to the top. Let's see if we have a bearish reaction off of this buy side as strong as that, bullish reaction that we had off that sell side. If we have more of a bear, my idea again, just having one way or another a what if, right? Like I'm bullish until this, I'm bearish until this. That's how I like to think about when I'm trading. Come down. If we start blowing through everything, right? We just start coming down, displacing through everything, all these gaps, this low, trends lower. I would say, yeah, we are for sure now going to have a bearish day. Or if we do the opposite and we just, we take out this buy side and we have more of a bullish reaction, than at least more bullish than bearish, then I'm going to be, targeting more higher draws on liquidity. And that's what I did today. So price came down, filled this 1 minute gap here, filled this 1 minute gap here, and we ended up coming up. Pretty good displacement right away. Had a little bit of a chop, and then we had even more displacement. So I got in on this candle here on the 1 minute. Just this displacement candle was enough. Just past this volume imbalance displacement candle right when it closed. I was like, all right, cool. I got in. I got in around here for a 1-to-1 R, and that got me just around like 650 ish for two accounts. I'll put screenshots on the screen of those two. But that was pretty much it. I was targeting again these higher draws on liquidity. Yesterday, I literally said I wanted to see. So this previous day high, it was the London high yesterday that I said I wanted to get hit. Eventually did. And then this previous day's high, this was like 2 days ago. This high on yesterday's recap, I also said I wanted to see this eventually get hit if we, hold bullish, order flow, and we did. On NASDAQ at least, we created an SMT with it on ES. So my draws and liquidity were nailed at the end of the week, which I'm really happy with. Um, pretty proud of myself for that. But that's pretty much it. A really fast trade. I was really in it for like 30 seconds. You can really see how I got in and out of like the same candle. I don't know why there's just a giant gap here. Like from when this candle was printing, it really closed like up here. That's just not there anymore. I don't know what the hell's going on, but pretty much it. Really like today. Take it at 10 times over. As if you can just say that, I feel like if you just say that to any of your setups, if you could just say, "Would you take it again?" Yes, then that's pretty. You traded your model. You traded your setup. Took mine, like it, made some money, got off the charts. Simple as that. So hope you all enjoyed. That was a pretty fast recap. Don't really have too much else to say. If y'all have any questions, just let me know. But I'm gonna just keep on posting these recaps, and I'll be also posting other videos as well sooner or later, talking about other things that could, provide value to on this channel. So that's about it for today. I'm gonna leave it here, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope you have a great weekend. Peace out.